welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a Hari Raya makeup tutorial. Those of you who are wondering what Hari Raya is, it's actually called Eid in Malaysia. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna use the Body Shop Rich Plum Lip Butter. It smells so much like a plum, like a real plum, which is perfect. So I'm gonna just put this on my lips. Off camera, guys, today I did like a really curly hair, which I really enjoy. I feel like it really looks good on me. I did this kind of hair when I was like 18 years old, but I didn't know how to manage it, so my mom had to like go and get a hair straightener for me just to get it straightened again. So because it's Eid, I'm gonna use this palette from Primark. I'm gonna use this shadow here. I'm taking the shade all the way up until my eyebrows, guys, because later I'm just going to put another highlight tone for it. But for now, I'm just going to use this. My lashes, guys, all of my lash extensions fell out, so I'm kind of looking like a naked mole right now. It doesn't matter. Hey guys, I switched over to the voiceover because the background environment was pretty much very loud and it was heavy rain outside. I just don't want to ruin the entire process of talking in front of the camera, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover right now. So I bought this Fenty Beauty Snap eyeshadow palette 2 or 3 weeks ago. I ordered it online and it's a very beautiful frosty shimmer shade that I think it's really going to be good on today's makeup. So today's makeup is definitely more focusing on the lilac shade, which is actually the purple shade, but I'm going to mix the entire green, purple and blue shortly. And the only mistake that I did in this makeup is I didn't even put on an eye primer or any kind of concealer to get it stick, so the shade is sort of like not really sticking no matter how much I'm going in all over with the eyeshadow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetic palette, which has a wide range of color, which I'm commonly using right now, and I'm gonna take the blue shade and really put it on the outer corner of my eyes because I really want the color to pop out even more. I'm taking a darker purple shade from the same palette and I'm just putting it on my lower lash line just to create the purplish shade under eyes. So yeah, and I'm gonna take the blending brush and I'm just going it all over using that same color. I'm just putting it on the crease of my eyes just to build up the shade. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm really not happy with the eyes yet, so I'm using my finger and I'm taking the blue shade and I'm just going all over. So I'm using the Maybelline blue electric blue shade. I really love a good blue eyeliner. If you guys have seen most of my makeup tutorial, I always love to do a blue liner because I really like blue liner. Yeah guys, so I'm just quickly going and drawing my eyeliner, and yeah. So in today's makeup, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do a dewy glowy skin. So I'm using the Body Shop Drops of Gold highlighter and this is going all over my skin. The next thing, I'm going to top it off with the Yves Rocher foundation shade. So guys, I'm going to apply my falsies and I'll be right back. I am a big fan of huge lashes, guys, like really thick kind of lashes. That's the reason even my lash extension, I really go like a 3D look because I like the thickness of how my eyes looks like after the entire process. So if you guys want to go in with something more light, you can do it, but for me in my look today, the way I dress up, I just want to like go all out, guys, so ignore me. And I'm using this ABH brow gel for the very first time, and I love the outcome of it. As you guys can see, it gives a very defined, perfect, thick look, and I really enjoy this thing. I'm not going too much on the highlighter, just on my nose and my eyebrow and the inner corners of my eyes, because underneath the skin there's already a dewy look, and I don't want to look like, you know, I just don't want to look like I just pop out of some shiny area. I'm gonna take in the purple shade and I'm gonna add it on the lower lash line, guys, just to give it a really nice end look for the eyes. And I'm using the Milani blusher, Coral Cove blusher, and I'm just putting it on my cheekbones. So in today's lipstick look, guys, I'm gonna go in with two different shades. One is called the Relentlessly Red from MAC Cosmetics, and also Flat Out Fabulous. It's very beautiful. It's a two combination of pink and also purple shade, which is beautiful for this. So I'm just packing the entire Flat Out Fabulous all over my mouth, and on the middle part of my lips I'm going in with Relentlessly Red. So I'm gonna set the entire makeup using the Pixie Glow Mist, and we are done with the makeup, guys. So yeah, Selamat Hari Raya to my fellow Malaysians, and Eid Mubarak to my worldwide Muslim friends. Till we meet again on the next video, guys. Bye!